Hi, Lipiao here again, and this week I've been learning this short and beautiful hymn called Turn Your Eyes Upon Jesus. And it's going to be key of C. Here are the chords that you need: your C major chord, F major, G major, A minor, and those are your usual ones, but we're going to add a couple more. C7, G7, and this is a slightly harder one, F minor. Okay, so those are the chords that we need. Let's play through the hymn once through. This is in triple time, so we'll be using our standard triple time strum. Turn your eyes upon Jesus, look full in his wonderful face, and the things of earth will grow strangely dim in the light of his glory and grace. So that was Turn Your Eyes Upon Jesus. Very beautiful, fairly easy to play, and prayerful hymn. I think the only difficulty you might have, and that's the one that I encountered, is the F minor chord, which is a little bit more difficult. Again, I think with some practice you should be fine. So hope you enjoy this hymn. See you next week.